guys, welcome you all to the fun learning session with me, Durga. Hi, how are you all? Hope you're well and good. Stay safe and stay healthy. So for today's fun learning session, you are going to learn a DIY project. You know what is that DIY? Do it yourself. Yes, you're going to do it yourself and I'm going to guide you how to do that. And for today's topic, the fun learning session, it's about making DIY microscope. Okay, so just get ready and I'm going to tell you what are the things that are necessary for that and how to prepare it and what are the things we are going to observe under a microscope. And before that, do you know what is a microscope is and why it is used? I need to think. Even you need to think, right? So let us think. We'll have this flashback. So, have you ever thought why this microscope is useful? And have you ever seen small, minute microorganisms through your naked eyes? No? Even I know. Do you know why microscope is used? And what's the purpose of this microscope to us? Right? So, basically, microscope is used to view small objects. Right? So it is used to view small objects like minute organisms, some organisms that cannot be visible to our naked eye. So example, like if you want to see any structure of salt or sugar under a microscope, if you want to know it, how that looks like under a microscope, yes, we're going to do that today. And even if you want to see some microorganisms under microscope, we can also use a DIY microscope for that. But due to this pandemic, I recommend you not to do that. Don't touch dirty water, right?